Japanese people eat rice with chopsticks. We learn how to use chopsticks since childhood. Today, I'm going to let you know how to hold a pair of chopsticks. So let's start. First, please hold a pair of chopsticks with 3 fingers: index finger, the middle finger, and the thumb. So like holding a pen like this. Can you see? And please try to move the chopsticks up and down like this. Hopefully your hand is fixed. Only chopsticks like this. Next, please put your middle finger between the chopsticks like this. This is the most difficult point. And then try to move the upper chopstick like this. And the lower chopstick is firmly fixed with the thumb and the tip of the 4th finger, so that you can move the upper chopstick like this. If you can do this, perhaps you can pick up food. Anyway, let's try like this. And one more point. When you hold the chopsticks, it's better for you to hold the upper part of chopsticks, because you can make a sharp triangle around here. It's considered beautiful. If you hold in the middle, only like this, it looks a little childish. Anyway, if you cannot do this, let's practice. 食べちゃう。
どうぞ。